Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to our latest listing on the range. 232 Denham Street is incredibly close to Rockhampton's best schools and its elevated position is brilliant for capturing these great breezes. Let's take a quick tour. I really love this shed because it's got rear lane access and it sits on this really low maintenance block. It's ideal for families that are really busy and want to spend more time doing the fun things in life. This home truly just speaks for itself. If our team at the agency can help you own this wonderful family home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.